Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to talk about a simple yet essential task for Firestick users: how to properly turn off your Firestick. Whether you're looking to conserve energy or simply want to know the right way to power down, we've got you covered. Stick around to learn all the steps. Step 1. Accessing the home screen. First things first, make sure you're on the home screen of your Firestick. This is where you can see all your apps and settings. Step. Navigating to settings. Next, move over to the left-hand side and scroll down to find settings. It looks like a gear icon. Click on it to open up your Firestick settings menu. Step 3. Selecting device and software. Within the settings menu, find and select device and software options. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Firestick's hardware and software settings. Step 4. Choosing sleep or restart. Now you have two options here. You can either choose to put your Firestick to sleep or restart it. Putting it to sleep is like putting your computer into standby mode, where it uses minimal power but can be quickly awakened. Restarting it will completely power it down and then boot it back up fresh. Step 5. Confirming your choice. Once you've made your selection, whether sleep or restart, confirm your choice by selecting the appropriate option. Your Firestick will then either go into sleep mode or initiate a restart. Conclusion. And there you have it. Turning off your Firestick is as easy as following these simple steps. Whether you're wrapping up for the night or just taking a break, knowing how to properly power down your device can help prolong its lifespan and save energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.